This, if you can believe it, is a superhero. This is a story about his first save. He started out as a normal cat who liked to explore, who liked to play, who used the bathroom,
And who ate string.
And then, out of nowhere, a blast of light came, and it changed this little cat's life forever. Captain Jack, the lazy dog, who isn't always lazy, but most of the time, lazy. And the black cat, the shadow of them all, Tony Blue, king of catching criminals.
Help! Help me! Somebody! Come save me!
Back at home base, they were all wondering what was up when they got a call and realized that they all needed to help save out that the prisoner was at Maker's Park. They all ran there, and Super Ouija, was on the case. He finally got her. He's trying, he's really trying, and yes! He's safe! Putin asked Super Ouija if the super pets were gonna deal with the criminal. And he told her that they would deal with that another day. All Captain Jack and Tony Blue, all the super pets wanted to do was go home. The end.